Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the function TimeGMT which retrieves current GMT time. If I go to my editor, I have declared a variable GMT time which is from the datetime type, and it calls the function TimeGMT, and this time is converted here into a string. It will be displayed in a print statement. If I compile the code and go to MetaTrader and run the script, I can see that the current GMT time is 18:51:36 seconds. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.